Hello everyone and welcome back to Step by Step English. I'm Alex.
And I am Emma. Welcome to our podcast.
Why do elephants wear green shoes?
I have no idea, Alex.
So they can hide in the tall grass. Have you ever seen an elephant in the grass?
No, I have not.
See? The green shoes work perfectly.
That is a very silly joke.
I think it is a great joke. Today we are talking about animals.
Yes, today we have a story about a dangerous zoo adventure.
I am already scared. I do not like dangerous things.
It is okay. It is just a story. We will learn new words today.
What kind of words will we learn?
We will learn words about animals, feelings, and actions.
That sounds fun. Let us start the story.
Last Saturday, the weather was beautiful and sunny.
Sunny weather is the best weather. I love the sun.
I agree. So, we decided to visit the big city zoo.
We took the bus to the zoo. The bus was very crowded.
Yes, many people wanted to see the animals that day.
We arrived at the zoo and bought 2 tickets.
The tickets were very expensive.
Yes, they were $20 each. That is a lot of money.
But we were excited. We walked inside the zoo gates.
The zoo was huge. There were trees and paths everywhere.
I had a paper map in my hand. I wanted to see the birds first.
I did not want to see the birds. Birds are boring.
Birds are not boring. They have beautiful colors.
I wanted to see the big lions and tigers.
We agreed to see the birds first, and the big cats later.
Fine. We walked to the bird cage.
There was a big blue parrot inside the cage.
I said hello to the parrot. I said, "Hello, pretty bird."
And the parrot looked at Alex.
The parrot said, "Go away."
The parrot was very rude. I laughed really hard.
It was not funny. The bird hurt my feelings.
I am sorry, but a talking bird is very interesting.
I walked away from the rude bird. I wanted to see the monkeys.
We walked to the monkey area. The monkeys were very loud.
There was one small monkey with a long tail.
The small monkey was eating a yellow banana.
He looked very cute. I walked closer to the glass.
But there was no glass. It was an open area.
The monkey jumped on the wooden fence.
He looked at the paper map in my hand.
I told Emma to be careful. The monkey looked fast.
I did not listen to you. I smiled at the monkey.
Suddenly, the monkey jumped on Emma.
He did not jump on me. He just grabbed the map.
He grabbed the map from your hand and ran away.
Yes, he stole our zoo map. He was a bad monkey.
He climbed up a very tall tree with our map.
He sat in the tree and chewed on the paper.
Now we were lost. We did not have a map.
The zoo was very big. I did not know where to go.
I said, "Let us just follow the path."
We walked down a dark path. It was very quiet.
I did not like the quiet path. It felt spooky.
We found a big building. The sign said Reptile House.
What is a reptile?
Reptiles are animals like snakes, lizards, and turtles.
I hate snakes. Snakes are my biggest fear.
We went inside the building. It was warm and dark.
There were many glass boxes. Each box had a snake.
I saw a small green snake. It was sleeping on a rock.
I saw a massive yellow snake. It was moving slowly.
The yellow snake was very thick. It looked strong.
I stood very still. I did not want the snake to see me.
But the snake was behind thick glass. It was safe.
Are you sure the glass is strong?
Yes, the glass is very strong. Do not worry.
Then we heard a loud alarm.
The alarm was ringing in the whole building.
A man in a zoo uniform ran past us.
He shouted, "Everybody get out now."
Why did he shout? Was there an emergency?
Yes, he said, a snake was missing from its box.
I started crying. I am not afraid to admit it.
You did not cry, but you did run very fast.
I ran faster than a cheetah. I wanted to go home.
We ran outside the reptile house. We were safe.
I was breathing very heavily. That was too scary.
I was scared too. The alarm was very loud.
I said, "Let us go home right now."
But we did not see the lions yet.
I do not care about the lions. I want my bed.
Come on, Alex. The lions are close. I can hear them.
We walked toward the loud sound.
We found the lion enclosure. It was surrounded by a high fence.
There was a huge male lion. He had a big brown mane.
He was walking back and forth. He looked angry.
Why was he angry?
The sign said it was feeding time. He was hungry.
I know how he feels. I get angry when I'm hungry too.
A zoo worker brought a big bucket of meat.
The lion saw the meat. He opened his mouth.
The lion roared loudly. It was the loudest sound ever.
The ground was shaking. My legs were shaking too.
The roar was amazing. He was a true king.
He was terrifying. I dropped my phone.
You did not drop your phone. You dropped your sunglasses.
Right. I dropped my sunglasses. The lion was too loud.
The zoo worker threw the meat to the lion.
The lion ate the meat very quickly.
He looked much happier after eating.
I said, "Okay, we saw the lion. Now we can leave."
I agreed. We had enough excitement for one day.
We walked to the zoo exit. We were very tired.
We saw an ice cream stand near the exit.
I bought a large chocolate ice cream.
I bought a strawberry ice cream.
The ice cream made me feel much better.
Cold ice cream is great after a scary day.
We sat on a bench and ate our ice cream.
We watched the happy families enter the zoo.
I wanted to warn them. I wanted to say, "Watch out for the monkey."
But you did not say anything. You just ate your ice cream.
Yes, the chocolate was too good. I could not speak.
We finally got on the bus to go home.
I slept on the bus. I was exhausted.
It was a very memorable day at the city zoo.
We lost a map, ran from a snake, and heard a lion roar.
Next time, we will visit the botanical garden.
Yes, plants do not steal maps or roar loudly.
That is true. Plants are very quiet and safe.
I love safe and quiet places.
That was our story for today. We hope you learned new words.
We used many adjectives today. Words like big, small, loud, and angry.
Adjectives describe nouns. They make stories better.
Practice listening to this story again. It will help your English.
You can read the subtitles while you listen.
Thank you for listening to Step by Step English.
Keep practicing your English every single day.
And do not let monkeys steal your maps. See you next time.